Hello and welcome to Sibos 2018 in Sydney. I'm Hannah Wallace and with me now is Erik Zingmark of Nordea. Hello Erik, it's good to see you again.
Good to see you.
How are you enjoying the event so far?
I enjoy it very much. I think there are a lot of interesting topics as always. Not so many new topics, but there are further conversations around what we spoke about last year.
Fantastic. And now can you tell me, are banks being disrupted by fintechs? It's a hot topic.
Yeah, that is a very common debate we are having. And I would say that fintechs are so far not really disrupting banks. Some will continue to try to do that, some will succeed to disrupt part of what we do, but the majority of the fintechs are or will become partners of banks. So I think that is something that was very hyped last year, but we see that things are changing now. And I think that is because of banks having such big customer bases and reach, so it's very difficult for fintechs to kind of keep up with that.
All right, and what are corporate customers expecting from their banks in the next sort of 3 to 5 years?
Yeah, I think that is a very interesting question because we tend to believe that they are expecting exponential technology development that we'll just throw at the corporates. Most of the corporates want what they wanted last year and 2 years ago, and that is to see to that we provide efficiency, predictability, uptime, resilience, to make their treasury work and their core business to run. So I think that is kind of licensed to operate as a provider to provide that. Then they are willing to discuss how can we help them to grow, how can we help them to find new solutions, etc. But it's still to be kind of an enabler of the core business.
And the golden question, when is it going to become cashless in the Nordics?
Well, we are going cashless. We hope that we'll be the first society being cashless.
Yeah.
I think it will take a little bit longer than you might think, and that is because of the tail of our customer bases, all the banks. That is either elderly people or people that have come to your country and perhaps don't have a bank relationship. And that tail will be very difficult to kind of solve. And so there will be many years until we're there. And I think the solution, there are two challenges.
Yeah.
One is that some of the people in the tail, they will never use a smartphone.
Yeah.
So one solution to that could be that we, as the bank industry, develop super simple smartphones. Yes, no,
yes.
Red, green, to help the elderly to make use of the new technology. Then one big problem remains. What happens if electricity goes out? If you're fully digitized, what happens then? And I think as long as the industry has not solved that, we will never become fully cashless. So that is the big million-dollar question. What do you do? And I think the solution to that is that we will develop solutions where you can carry value offline. So you will be able to pay in a store offline. So the merchant is offline, you can still pay. We need to solve that. Then we are cashless.
Fantastic. Well, thank you for your insights, Erik. This has been a pleasure.
Thanks.
And thank you for watching.